First, we start by loading the raw sugar. Next, we add water to dissolve the crystals. Then, the liquid glucose is pumped in for texture. Now, the heavy-duty mixing begins. Igniting the intense heat to start the reaction. The temperature rises, making the syrup foam. We hit 300 degrees for the hard set. Carefully pouring the batch to the next stage. Pouring the liquid gold onto a cold steel table. Infusing it with a concentrated fruit essence. Now, we add the deep, vibrant red pigment. Folding the edges to distribute the heat evenly. Watch as the color spreads through the entire batch. Moving the warm mass onto the pulling hook. The machine begins the essential stretching process. This aerates the candy, giving it a satin shine. Pulling it long to lock in that perfect crunch. Taking it off to form the primary shape. Rolling it into a uniform industrial log. Feeding the log into the first set of rollers. Compression makes the rope thinner and tighter. A quick chill to stabilize the outer surface. Now, it enters the heart of the molding unit. The molds strike, forming the perfect spheres. Feeding the sticks into the assembly line. Driving each stick home with high precision.
Driving each stick home with it.
Cutting them free from the excess trim. Dropping the finished pieces for final cooling. Gentle vibration ensures they don't stick together. Final air cooling to set the hard, glassy finish. Once cooled, every unit undergoes a laser scan. Any imperfection is immediately rejected. The survivors move to the wrapping station. Thin protective film is fed into the system. Each head is sealed in a moisture-proof wrap. Heat sealing the base for a tight fit. Now, they are ready for the final count. Electronic eyes keep track of every single piece. forming the bulk containers for transport. "100 units per box, filled in seconds." Applying high-strength adhesive to the seals. Sealing the box to lock in the freshness. Stamping the batch code and expiration date. The boxes head toward the palletizing zone. Precision robotics take over the heavy lifting. Stacking them high for maximum efficiency. Securing the load with layers of stretch wrap. Lifting the load for the final departure. The shipping docks stay busy around the clock. Loading the cargo for nationwide delivery. Securing the doors for the long haul. Heading out to sweeten up the world. Finally, it reaches the hands of the consumer. The moment everyone has been waiting for. Crystal clear and perfectly crafted. That signature hard candy crunch. Quality you can trust, batch after batch. Innovation meets tradition in every sweet. Unlimited sweetness, engineered to perfection. The ultimate candy experience, start to finish.